Hello children, welcome to our English class. Children, English is such an easy language and simple too, where we have learned so many concepts so easily and quickly. In today's class, we will learn about punctuations. So let's talk about punctuation marks. The first one is capital letter. A sentence begins with the capital letter. You can always see a sentence. The first sentence is, the elephant is big. Notice the first word. That is the, and in the, T is capital. The first letter of the sentence is always in capital letter. Also children, always remember, whenever I comes in the sentence, it will be in the capital letter. You will not write the small, like Reena and I. So here you will not write small I, you will write the capital I. Are going to the market. Yes children. So notice here I is also capital in the sentence. The next sentence is, the sky is blue. So here what will be in capital letter? T. You got it right. So easy it is. Always remember that whenever the sentence begins, you have to write the first letter in the capital. Okay? In the capital letter. Let's look at the full stop. So second punctuation mark is full stop. Full stop has a punctuation with a dot. A punctuation mark is dot. Full stop signifies the end of a sentence. When the sentence is completed, we always put a full stop. Every statement ends with a full stop. As you can see, he is Aman. Here A is capital because the proper noun always begins with a capital letter. He is Aman. Now at the end you can see there is a dot. This is called a full stop. So remember this punctuation mark. Very easy and simple to put. Let's look at the next sentence. This is his bag. This is his bag. So we will use the punctuation mark as full stop. Whenever the sentence is ending, always put a full stop. Till now, we have discussed about the capital letter, full stop. It comes the question mark. As the name suggests, question mark का मतलब होता है when you are asking a question. So you have to put a question mark. Very easy. Children, please look here carefully. The question mark looks like this. Question mark. And why do we put a question mark? Because we are asking the question. Question sentences always end with the question mark. Whenever you are asking a question, you have to put a question mark. It is compulsory. It is mandatory. Okay? Like as, is this a top? The person is asking a question. Is it a top? The question. And once the question is completed, you have to put a question mark. And question mark is very easy to make. Just make a curve and a standing line and put a dot under it. It becomes a question mark. Is this Nikita's pen? So here again the question mark will come. Or whenever you are asking the questions also, or writing as, what is your name? Where are you going? Also at that time also we use the question mark. The last punctuation mark is apostrophe. Apostrophe S means a comma and a S. It means unka when you are referring to someone. To show a sense of possessiveness or a possession, we use apostrophe S. Like, this is Radha's jacket. Radha's. So here the noun or the naming word Radha is coming. Then after Radha, we will put a small comma on the top and a S. So the punctuation mark apostrophe S comes like this, comma on the top and S. As I am telling you an example of Radha's jacket, here the apostrophe S is coming to Radha because it shows that a thing belongs to someone. Whose jacket it is? Radha's jacket. So here the jacket is a thing which is belonging to Radha. That a thing belongs to someone. We use apostrophe with the name of that person. Now children, there are few exercises given at the back. You all can do these exercises using the punctuation mark. It's time for me to say bye-bye. Have a fun day. Bye-bye.